Ever wondered how to snag some free, fake Ethereum to play around with and learn the ropes of crypto without risking real money? First, you need to get yourself some Ropsten ETH. Head over to your favorite search engine and look up Ropsten Faucet. A faucet is a website that gives out free test ETH. Click on one of the available faucets. Keep in mind some faucets might require you to make an account. Next, you'll need a wallet. We will use MetaMask for this tutorial. Make sure your MetaMask network is set to Ropsten Test Network. If you don't see the Ropsten network, you might need to enable Show Test Networks in your MetaMask settings under the Advanced tab. Now, copy your Ropsten address from MetaMask and paste it into the address field on the Ropsten faucet. Then, click the Request button. You might need to complete a CAPTCHA. Once you've requested Test ETH from the faucet, wait a few moments. The transaction might take a little while to process. On the Ropsten network, check your MetaMask wallet to confirm you've received your Test ETH. Now you are able to experiment on the Ropsten network.